All right, new day, new week, new month, whatever. I'm sick a little bit. It's hot. Other than that, got Danny's truck back in the garage. I'm gonna pull all this stuff off. All this is brand new. Sucks, but somebody can use it. I'm gonna get all this bracket off, both axles out, the steering out, drop the steering box, pull these new coil buckets off, get the engine and trans out, and yeah, start making some more progress. That I haven't really touched. I'm gonna work on it, but yeah, I'm gonna start stripping this down until I don't feel like doing it anymore. Another day here, trying to make some progress, just pulling some more stuff so I can get the cab pulled off this thing. So, I'm sick, but just plugging away. I wish I had more commentary, like things to say. I don't know. Just really don't have much to say. Yeah, nothing to say. Out here in shorts and a t-shirt, enjoying the beautiful weather. That looks like not that size. Alright, we'll be back. Easy as that. I can fucking do anything with that skid steer. Move the Statue of Liberty, no problem. I got it. Alright, I'm hot, I need a break before I leak out 90% of my body fat. Alright. So I'm making Danny do some work on the truck because she's been domesticated too much in her fancy F-150. She used to have a second gen. It was a piece of shit a long time ago, and I pretty much taught her how to work on stuff like that, but it's been a while. She's been I don't know, she hasn't worked on anything in a while, so this should be fun. What are you gonna do?
Take something off with these two things.
This air puppy. You're gonna take this air puppy off.
Air puppy. Woof. Oh, alright. I understand now. Sorry.
There you go. Look at you go. You're not gonna tell the people what you're doing?
Taking an air puppy off.
See, I could be a cameraman and just watch other people work.
Do you want any of this shit that I just dropped on the ground?
Yeah. We'll need that to put it on the other truck.
We'll get it in a minute.
Okay. Once you get the last one off, I'm going to tell you it would have been way faster to use the air ratchet.
Well, I was going to ask where that was, but none of my business. What do I know? Just me and an air puppy. Shit.
That's alright, I'll pick them up.
Okay, okay.
There's one more at the very bottom.
I see that.
Look at you go. You gonna get your hands dirty?
Yeah.
You and your fancy nails?
Listen, I got a wedding tomorrow. Fuck. Oh, sorry.
You can't swear.
I know, I'm sorry.
I'll beep that out.
Can you do that?
Yep. It's really hard.
Can you
for me to
bark
do.
since I'm taking a puppy off?
I can bark. I could probably insert a bark. It might be a little tough.
That's ideal.
I love the positioning right now. It's
Oh,
great.
thick thighs are holding their puppy together. It's like Hunchback of Notre Dame over here.
Really great angle.
Fuck!
I just wanted to say,
Roof!
You don't insert your own roof.
It was falling. My left hand doesn't work well.
Doing great.
Come on. Okay. Here you go.
Well, you gotta take the lines off.
I don't know how to do that. Will it pop off?
So you pinch the gray
I
piece.
was gonna say, it looks like...
You pinch the gray and then you push in, pull out.
What?
This is great. You're doing a good job.
Thank you so much.
Push in, pull out.
Let's try a different one. Excuse me. What the fuck?
Watch your profanity.
Sorry. I can't squish it enough. My nails are in the way, I think. Can I have some assistance?
Yeah, sure.
Phone a friend?
Here, you hold this
Okay.
and I'll show you how to do it. Push these two guys in like this. Push in, pull out.
Oh, glad I didn't do
And
that.
we don't want to hurt the environment. There you go. One air puppy. Can you even see what you're filming?
Nope.
You tapped the screen. You're probably just zoomed in on my...
Oh, yep, I got it.
That was probably all nothing.
No, I got stuff.
Okay, so this bracket is completely fucked.
Air puppy bracket is fucked.
So we're going to have to call our buddies. Be like every other YouTuber, like, oh, call our buddies over at AirDog. They're not our friends yet, but they should be. Alright, now you gotta pan to yourself. Tell them how good of a job you just did.
How do I do that?
Turn around. Turn the camera.
There's no button?
No.
I did a great job.
Okay, so yesterday we got the engine pulled out, sitting over there ready to be cleaned and painted, gaskets, alternator, whatever, a couple little things. This is ready to come out today. I believe I got everything unbolted. Steering box is going to go on the other truck. Just those 3 bolts. They're all 18s. The track bar bracket, because I'm going to reuse that. I think I just have to notch it. I'm not 100% sure. This is my first rodeo here, but I think that's how that's going to work. Shocks are unbolted. These are unbolted. I'm going to have to torch these rivets and pound these through. I got new coil buckets because they're cheap, and this one's all not great. So sway bars off, shocks, radius arms, track bar bracket, sway bar, not sway bar, steering dampener. I am sorry, I'm not normally like this. I just, when I'm trying to talk to the camera, I cannot say the correct thing. I just go to full don't know what to say mode. So I'll get the skid steer fired up and slide those 2 back bolts out for the radius arms. Get this out, set it right here. That needs pressure washed. I gotta clean up this mess, but I want to clean the frame up first, then the axle. Get the axle cleaned up and painted, slide it under here, pull the whole truck back out, pressure wash the engine bay, get it all dolled up. That way when I got the engine back in, everything's clean, ready to go, and nice. So I'm gonna try to get this front axle out. It should come right out. All these 05 plus trucks are like Legos. You need an 18, a 24, and Bob's your uncle. I mean, 18 and 24, you can drop the whole axle out of the truck. Great trucks. All right, here we go. Here's where we're at. I'm out of the greaser. The transfer case, trans cleaned up pretty good. Just got some stuff right there. Pretty much all the oil came off it. I'm kind of upset the more paint didn't come off, but just gonna brake clean it and spray it black anyways. Axle cleaned up really good. Gonna have to wire wheel it, buff it up, and paint it. So here's what I'm going to do with the engine. I have the correct motor mounts. They're in the bed of the truck. Changing this out to a 24 valve one because you don't need this big bracket. I'm going to pull the transfer case off, make sure the clutch is good. I think it's this big single disc. I'm not positive. I think so. The Dodge alternator, I think I got one out back in storage. I'm gonna have that converted and put that on there, get rid of the 6.0 starter, which I believe, yeah, that's the 6.0 starter. The turbo, so you can't clock these all the way to the right position when it's high mount, I guess, when you put them like this, unless you have like a 1-inch spacer on the manifold. Not a 1-inch spacer, it's like a 1/4-inch spacer. So I'm gonna get that, rotate this down. I'm gonna probably redo these lines, definitely the drain line, paint it all black. She wants these khaki, this khaki. I'm probably, which I usually never do, I don't know, I might paint the trans and transfer case flat black. I don't know, I might just leave them. But yeah, get that slid under here. I got new coil buckets, Super Duty coil buckets from the Jungle website. I'm not going to use their hardware. I'm going to get some grade 8. I got to get the frame cleaned up. I ordered a new bracket from AirDog. It was only like 20 bucks. But this one's completely mangled, and I don't understand how that happened. I know it wasn't me, you know, I mean, something had to happen to it. But yeah, that's the plans, that's the progress. And probably be a couple more weeks before I make any more, so that'll be it. So, funny story, when we were dating, I was teaching her how to run this skid steer because it used to be my dad's back in the day, 10 years ago, 15, how long ago? 13 years-ish ago. And I was teaching her how to run it, and I was standing right here, and I'm like, okay, rev it up, and she yanks it back and knocks me out. I was unconscious for a little bit. It was really, that's how you know you're bonded with somebody, when she knocks you out with a skid steer. Just, yeah, so. All right, we'll see you on the next one. Give me a bye.